This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. Come and see our dinosaur eggs. Come on. Dinosaur egg.
Carry your eggs carefully through to the kitchen, Topsy and Tim.
Nursery was really fun today. We made dinosaur eggs out of paper and glue. Actually, mine is a Triceratops egg.
Oh, and is yours still a Diplodocus egg, Tim?
Yes, Diplodocus dinosaurs hatch out of eggs.
Oh.
Just like birds and snakes and crocodiles, Miss Maple told us.
Oh, wow. Well, come on through to the kitchen. Let's pop them on the table. There you go.
But the egg needs a warm, cosy nest to hatch.
Gosh, you have learnt a lot about eggs today, haven't you? Well done. Who wants some juice?
Yes, please, Mummy. I'll get it.
Oh, thank you, Tim. That means I can get the washing in.
Wow, that is a big egg. Thank you, Tim. Topsy, I've got an idea. What? Maybe we could hatch a real egg. I don't think so. Look at this one. Mummy buys our eggs in the shop. They don't hatch. That's because they're too cold in the fridge. If we make this big egg a warm nest, it might hatch. I don't think so. I'm going to try it. And so, I make a lovely cosy nest for the big egg. There you go, Eggie. Come on, Eggie. Hatch. Come. Maybe you're still not warm enough. I know a place that's warm. You can hatch in our warm airing cupboard, Eggie. I'll look after you. Topsy, I've made a warm, cosy nest for my egg. Tim, when it hatches, will a real chicken come out? I don't know. Maybe it won't be a chicken. It was a big egg. I wonder what will hatch out of it. Please may I leave the table, Mummy?
Yes, if you've finished. Don't forget to tidy your plate away, please. Good boy, thank you.
Here you go, Eggie. A nice cheese sandwich for you to eat when you hatch. I wonder what you'll hatch into. Maybe you're a dinosaur egg Rah! Can I see, Tim? Wow, you've made the nest really good. Thank you. Topsy, maybe that egg is a dinosaur egg, but it's a secret. When it hatches, the dinosaur can live under our bunk bed, Tim.
Twins! Bath time!
Shh. After our bath, we brush our teeth.
Straight into bed, twins. I'll be back up to read your stories.
Then we check our big dinosaur egg again. Come on, Topsy. Is it hatching? Not yet. Oh. But, look. If we put our old baby monster into the nest like this, when our little baby dinosaur hatches in the night, we'll hear it through the other one. Good idea.
Topsy and Tim, into bed, please.
Let's get into bed quickly and listen.
Good night.
Good night, Mummy. Good night.
Snugly down. Sleep tight.
Good night, Mummy. Can you hear anything, Tim? Not yet. Can I have a go at listening? Yeah, okay. Can you hear anything, Topsy? Is the egg hatching? I don't think so, Tim. My time, please. Thank you. We listened and listened, but we didn't hear anything. And then I think we fell asleep. Until... The egg's hatched, Tim! I think the baby dinosaur has come out of its egg. Come on, let's go and look.
Topsy and Tim, did you know about this?
Sorry, Mummy. It's our dinosaur egg. It was going to be our very own pet dinosaur.
But it's an egg from the fridge. It's a chicken egg. I'm not happy about this.
Sorry, Mummy.
Right, you two go back to bed and I'll clear this up.
Mummy, don't be angry at Topsy. It was my idea, and it was such a big egg. No. I helped as well, Tim. It was both of us. Sorry, Mummy.
All right, you two. We'll talk about it in the morning after a good night's sleep.
Night-night, Mummy.
Now, Topsy and Tim, eggs from the fridge won't hatch. Even if you put them in a warm and cosy nest. And they certainly won't hatch into dinosaurs.
Good, because I don't think I want a dinosaur as our pet. Neither do I. It would be a bit scary. And it wouldn't fit under our bunk bed. And that's when Mummy said, I don't think our new house will be big enough for a pet dinosaur.
I don't think our new house will be big enough for a pet dinosaur, but it will be big enough for a smaller pet.
We'd love a pet, Mummy. Ooh. Yes, that'd be much better than a dinosaur.
Yes, it would. Well, good night, Twintastic Topsy and Twintabulous Tim. Sleep tight.
Mummy? Do rabbits hatch out of eggs?
No. Night-night.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play.
Today, Tim builds a nest. But can you remember what he put in the nest to hatch? Was it Little Moon Bunny?
Or was it an egg?
The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is an egg. Great game!
That was good fun.
See you soon! We can play!